Just about making his way into the left-hander at the loop. The McLaren's with a good start as well. Verstappen has dropped back, so into third place has come Lando Norris, and then it's George Russell, then Piastri, so Verstappen back to sixth place.
Okay, so Max getting shuffled back in the queue a little bit. George Russell's under attack. Antonelli has a look to the inside of Lewis Hamilton coming down towards Brooklyn. No way through there, but a great start by Lando Norris, of course, sixth on the grid and running third, so a good launch in the McLaren. Keep an eye also on Liam Lawson as his racing ball comes out of Luffield, so the midpoint of the through the campsite to get onto the circuit, which means I get to walk around and through the campus, and they've all got their flags up, they've got their t-shirts, they've got banners, they've got everything surrounding all of their tents and their campers and all that sort of stuff. Honestly, it's absolutely a campsite. Like that, exactly. John did test the strength of the car.